Hello, my feasts, and it is I, Battlesaurus, and still no Jigga. Okay, now, I wanted to make this video. It's a quick shout out video, and shout outs to Jasmine and Brianna. I think I'm forgetting someone. Bloody hell. Alright, I don't know. But shoutouts to you guys. You supported my channel. I thank that. Thanks for the 7 subscribers. I'm glad that you guys like my videos, and I'll keep continuing them, and maybe make some gaming videos. I made the gaming choice, and it is Jurassic World Evolution. So I hope you guys will enjoy that. And Jigga will be there. It's the old Jigga. And you know, so I'll talk to you guys later. And also, you guys wanted me to do some bird noises on this thing, so I guess I will. Sorry. Okay, that's a bad pigeon or dove. I can do it again. Yeah, I know. But so yeah. Um, so thank you guys. I'll talk to you guys next time. This is Battlesaurus, and I'm pretty sure Jigga would, you know, say see you guys, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys. Love you all within my heart.